Reba, Reba, wanna eat? Good girl. It's good broccoli, huh? You gonna eat the broccoli? Good girl. Good girl. Eat.
Well, we're here. We're in the first parking lot, and we're over close where there's a tree where there's some shade. We could actually park there. Okay, bye. All right, bye.
That's a whole thing of broccoli.
Good Lord.
And she's almost got it down already.
I see that. You're not interested in the broccoli, honey?
I guess she's not.
No. Get back here. Get back. Sorry, didn't mean to get into your movie.
Oh, that's alright.
Do you want any of this taco? Look here. Look here. Do you like... No. Back up. Do you want this? Want this? No.
Look at that. A whole head of broccoli. She's almost done with it. Wish I could eat it that fast.
It's not good for you that fast.
Yeah, but I could get a bunch down at once and be done with it. Good girl. Good girl. You must have been hungry, huh? Wow. What else have we got? Let me see. Hey, would you like a carrot?
This one and this one are kind
There's
of
a carrot.
shaded,
Eat.
or
Look.
this up here.
Got it? Good girl. You gonna eat? Reba. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. That's all for now.